we're going to get started with talking about the SAT reading section. So first, we're going to start off with kind of the main type of question that comes up in the SAT reading section, which would be the main idea question. And you really want to understand the main idea in order to kind of answer any question that is going to come up on the reading section, not just the one that explicitly asks you what the main idea was. So the author is generally going to have a main idea, which is just a topic that they're talking about, and then they're going to be trying to make a point or an opinion on that topic. All right, so we've gotten a couple of good answers from everyone in the chat. So now we're just going to go on to the next slide. So quite a few of you said that the kind of topic sentence or the topic of this is very specific. It's tree growth or tree growth with age. I'd say that overall the topic should kind of be shorter. It should be a very quick, for example, it's just on trees. And then the main idea is where you want to get a little more specific. For example, the main idea of this would be closer to trees that are slowing down in their growth rate. And after that, I'll just give you a couple quick strategies that will actually help out a lot for this kind of question. So first, you kind of want to come out with the idea of the main idea yourself. You don't necessarily want to hyper focus on one of the central ideas that the College Board is going to offer you, because some of them are going to be similar enough that they're there just to kind of trip you up. So yeah, if anybody has any other questions, please feel free to ask them now. We have a couple minutes left of this meeting. So yeah. Annie, is there anything you'd like to add?
Just all in all, good luck. Keep on doing your practice questions. Always remember what you did wrong on something so you don't make the same mistake twice. And then soon enough, like if you see the same question again, you'll know like what you did wrong and then you'll do it right the next time.